This 2018 K-Z Durango 1500 Sport 270 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 32 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep 6, stovetop burner, LP detector, smoke detector, skylight, air conditioning, spare tire kit, awning, microwave, slide-out, external shower, and 61 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 K-Z Durango 1500 Sport 270 is 8,640 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.